Hello everybody. Today my video on EBS lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth Healthy Body. So A, what the solution? Your friend has a toothache. He is not telling anyone because he is afraid of dentist, but it is necessary for him to go to dentist. Answer: he should be he should be convinced that if the permanent teeth are damaged, we do not get new teeth in their place. Hence, proper treatment is necessary. If our teeth are decayed or dirty, we may fall ill as the foul substance enter our stomach. Visit to a dentist is needed for this. B. Think and write. Number 1. Which is the best way to brush your teeth and why? Answer: brushing our teeth, toothbrush and toothpaste is the best way of cleaning them. The food particles that are stuck in the gaps of the teeth can be taken out by toothbrush. The foam of toothpaste also helps the food particle to become loose and get washed away. Number 2, why should we not allow nails to grow? Answer: if nails are grown, the dirt and mud remains inside these nails. This dirt enter our mouth when we eat by hands. This can causes different diseases and our health will be affected. Therefore, we should not allow our nails to grow. Number 3, why must we wash the grapes we buy from the market before eating them? Answer: the grapes from the market can be covered with dust and dirt. If we do not wash the grapes, the dust and dirt will enter our body. This may cause poisoning. Because therefore it is necessary to wash the grapes that we buy from the market. Here wash will come. WASH. Wash is given, but you have to write wash. Wash the grapes that we buy from the market before eating them. So error you find out now. Here it is necessary to wash. H is not given. You have to put. I know my all students are smart. Fourth, it is it is more important to brush your teeth before going to bed at night than to brush them in the morning. Why is that so? Answer: we keep eating throughout the day. These food particles may remain stuck in the gaps of our teeth. If we do not brush our teeth, these food particles rots and start tooth decay. Therefore, it is important to brush the teeth before going to bed. Fifth, why is it a custom to wash one feet and hand on coming back home? Answer: when we are walking on the road and playing outside, our feet become dirty and dusty. We must keep our body clean. If we do not keep cleanliness, then we may contract different diseases. Therefore, it is a custom to wash one feet and hands on coming back home. Here, fill in the blank. First, milky teeth start falling at the age of 7 or 8. Number 2, if rotting food particles remain in the mouth, they cause teeth to fall. Number 3, if we use a brush and toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Fourth, we must clean our tongue and gums while brushing our teeth. Number 5, we must keep our five sensory organ clean. Here, D. Answer the following. Why do our gums get affected? Answer. If we do not wash our teeth and gums properly, then the food particles remain stuck in the gap of the teeth. This rotting causes gums to be affected. Number number 2, why must we wash our hand before having a meal? Our hands may be dirty. The dirt will enter in our stomach, causing stomach ache. Therefore, we must wash our hands before and having a meal. Number third, what are the benefit of using brush and toothpaste? Cleaning one teeth by using brush, toothpaste, we can clean all the gaps between the teeth properly. The foam of the toothpaste will also loosen the food particle and clean the mouth truly. It also it will also stop bad breath. Fourth, what will happen if we do not keep ourselves clean? If we do not keep ourselves clean, we may contact different kind of diseases. Number fifth, where do we fall ill if our teeth are not clean? If teeth are not clean, then the gums are also affected. From the gums, the blood and pus may ooze out. There, these foul substances enter our stomach and causes diseases. Therefore, if we do not keep our teeth clean, we may fall ill. So that's all about. I hope you all understand. Copy down these on your EVS notebook. So student, keep